So let me write something. Let's start by creating a new project. So we are going to create let's create a new project. So let's call it patterns. So let's use this window. So now we are going to write a Python codes. So we are going to start with left aligned increasing a triangle. So let's write a new Python file. Let's call it triangle. It is it's a Python file. And press enter. So as you know, we are going to start this. This is the pattern 1. So let's call it pattern. This is how we comment in a Python. Pattern 1, and it is based on left aligned increasing triangle. So we are going to start it to write a Python code. So here we are going to use for loops, as I said. We are going to use it for loops. So let's start with for v. For v, let's use I. For I in range. Let's use 1 up to 6. 1, 6. So this is like a function, but for this let me tell you something. For this, it is a loop through rows from 1 up to 5. So let me write it. Loop through rows from 1 to 5. So let's use the common. We in my school was using key J or IJ. Let's use J. For J in the range of I, let's use I here. So and this is for column. The first one was for rows, the second is for columns. So this is a loop. It's a loop through columns. So it is like from 0 to I minus 1. So let's print something. We are going to use a star or a stripe. So let's use print. If it use double quote here, let's use a star. and to also double star. I mean double quotation. So, and this is for printing a star without a new line. It is for printing a star without a new line. So let me comment it here. Print star without new line. So now we also need to print so we need to move to the next line after each law. So let's use this print. So after that, I think we can run our program and see if you are going to print the left line decreasing triangle. Let's see. Guys, now as you see, we have it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, from 1 up to 5. And you see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have left aligned increasing triangle, as you see. So if you're more interested, do subscribe and you will see an update. You will receive an update for the next. For the next, we are going to do the central pyramid. Thank you guys. Do subscribe.